In your notebooks, answer the following. Question A. Rewrite the sentences using infinitives as in the example below. I'm going to do the first one. You have a mark of 4. I can't decide where I should eat lunch today. This should be like this. I can't decide where to eat lunch today. Now, you have number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I decided that because I have where in here and should. You have 3 minutes. All right, now let's go to the model answer. For number 2, Samira doesn't know who to hire for the sales clerk position. Number 3, my boss told us when to take a break. Number 4, I wasn't sure what to do first. Number 5, Amani asked me how to fix the photocopier. Now give yourself a mark and let's carry on. Task number 4. In your notebooks, answer the following. Think back when you were a student at your school. What didn't you know about the school? Write 4 embedded questions with infinitives like the example below. And you have a mark of 8. I didn't know how to find my classroom. Now you can use she taught me, I couldn't decide, I wondered, all the introductory questions, phrases. You have 3 minutes. Alright, now let's jump to the model answer. But before you do that, you have to use the self-correcting tools. After you have finished, make sure you have in all of your sentences the following. Number 1, a capitalized first letter. Number 2, a full stop. Number 3, no spelling mistakes by checking every word using a dictionary. Number 4, no grammatical errors by reviewing the lesson. Now, let's go over the model answer for question B. First one, in the first days, I didn't know when to take a break. 2, Mr. Abed taught us how to use the computer. 3, I wondered whether to join school competitions or not. 4, I wasn't sure back then what type of calculator to buy. Of course, these sentences should be different to yours, but you can compare both lists. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back plus 2 marks for finishing the lesson and calculate your final mark. Evaluating lesson objectives. Now you are able to use embedded questions with infinitives in writing sentences, and you have a mark of 20. If you have 100% perfect answers, that means 20 marks, then you can proceed to the next lesson. If you have 75% and above, that means 15 marks and more, then you can go over the part you failed in and redo it. If you have 75% and below, that means 15 marks or lower, then redo the whole lesson. As always, practice makes perfect. Good luck and thank you for your attention.